Hello everyone. I am Parameswara. I am a senior data scientist. It is a pleasure to be here today to discuss how AI is transforming procurement and supply chains. Procurement is no longer just about sourcing supplies and managing contracts. It has evolved into a strategic function that drives efficiency, cost savings, and risk management. AI is playing a major role in automating processes, analyzing data at scale, and improving decision making. The goal of this session is how AI improves efficiency and cost optimization in procurement. Real world AI applications, supplier selection, contract management, and demand forecasting. These are the real world applications. Challenges companies face in AI adoption and how to navigate them, and the future of AI powered procurement and next steps for businesses. By end of this talk, you will understand why AI is not just an option, it is a necessity for procurement teams looking to stay ahead. Procurement has traditionally been manual, slow, and reactive. AI is changing that by making a procurement faster, more strategic, and cost effective. Let us see what efficiency gains we get. AI powered automation is eliminating repetitive, time consuming tasks from purchase order processing to supplier evaluations. Studies show that AI can reduce procurement processing times by 37%, allowing teams to focus on high value decision making. Cost savings. Procurement is not just about spending, it is about spending wisely. AI powered spend analytics help businesses identify hidden inefficiencies, negotiate better contracts, and optimize costs, leading to a 15 to 20% reductions in procurement expenses. In short, AI is shifting procurement from operational function to a value driver. In the real world impact, let us see how AI is impacting the real world. Traditionally, supplier selection was based on a relationships, historical performance, and manual research. AI enhances this by analyzing market trends and historical performance. AI powered supplier selection has increased accuracy by 42%, helping procurement teams reduce risks and negotiate better deals. When it comes to contracts management, procurement teams handle hundreds of contracts, making manual contract review a bottleneck. AI solves this by automating contract review and highlighting the risk areas in the contract, reducing the processing time by 60% through AI powered analysis, ensuring compliance and faster approvals, leading to shorter procurement cycles. And now let us look into demand forecasting. Poor demand forecasting leads to over purchasing or stockouts. AI driven forecasting models analyze sale trends, supply performance, and external factors will increase accuracy from 70% to 95%. These enables procurement teams to reduce excessive inventory, improve supplier coordination, and minimize procurement delays. Now let us look at the challenges in AI implementation. The mostly like data privacy. AI relies on massive amounts of procurement data, which raises security and compliance risks. So organizations must ensure regulatory compliances like GDPR, CCPA, etc. Also protect supplier and financial data from cyber threats. Build trust with the stakeholders by implementing transparent AI models. 78% of the organizations cite data security concerns as a barrier to AI adoption. Addressing these issues is critical for successful AI implementation. The legacy system integration. Most companies use older ERP procurement systems. AI integration requirements middleware solution to connect old and new systems, phased adoption plans to summarize the disruptions, flexible architecture to enable AI-driven procurement. With 65% of enterprises struggling with AI integration, overcome these challenges Overcoming these challenges is a key. Mostly with they can overcome by going on phase instead of rollout. Or now let us see how AI powers the contracts, like the smart contracts. One of the most exciting innovation in procurement is AI-powered smart contracts. These contracts could use blockchain and AI-driven validations to automate contract execution. Why do smart contractors matter? Like for a fraud prevention, AI detects irregularities and prevents manipulation. Smart contracts automatically enforce terms and ensure that company policies, these contracts are adhered to the company's policies. And also the faster processing. AI reduces contract validation time by 85%, allowing teams to focus on negotiations and strategic sourcing. Bottlenecks and now let us see how AI helps in manufacturing. AI revolution manufacturing procurement by predicting maintenance needs and avoiding supply chain disruptions, optimizing production plan with AI-driven demand analysis, and to reduce the delays, automating supplier coordination, we can use the AI. In the retail sector, the procurement faces inventory management and demand challenges. AI can help here by enhancing demand forecast for better stock control, automating inventory replenishment based on the real-time data, personalizing supplier strategies to optimize. And now let us see how the AI in procurement can help technology companies. In this tech industry, AI streamlines the vendor selection, optimizing IT procurement, helping businesses to automate contract analysis for software and cloud services, analyze complex service segments to optimize spending. Now, let us see how AI helps in sustainability. AI helps organizations reduce this carbon footprint by optimizing supplier selection for sustainability, reducing waste through predictive analytics, minimizing logistics emissions, leading to a 28% reduction in carbon. Now, in the risk mitigation, AI-powered early warning systems like the risk management softwares detect supply chain risks with 85% accuracy. This helps businesses proactively mitigate risks before disruptions occur, enhance supplier reliances, and maintain operations. Now, the AI driving strategies for procurement. Like beyond automation, AI is transforming strategic procurement in three key ways. Data driven decisions. AI turns raw procurement data into actionable insights, enable better forecasting and supplier selection. And in supplier relationship management, AI enhances suppliers tracking, predictive risk assessments, and engagement strategies. Sourcing. AI helps in procurement teams to optimize strategies, reduce costs, and improve supply chain resilience. With AI procurement, with AI, the procurement is no longer just about transactions. It is about strategy, intelligence, and long-term value creation. The future of AI-powered procurement. AI adoption will continue to expand, but businesses must focus on maximizing the cost savings. AI-driven procurement saves 3.58 millions annually for small and medium enterprises. Enhancing data security. 78% of businesses demand stronger AI governance. 65% of enterprises struggle with adoption, requiring structured implementation plans instead of just buying the off-the-shelf software and straight away using it. They should have structured implementation plans. Now, to summarize what we have discussed so far, like AI is optimizes procurement with efficiency, cost reduction, and importantly, risk management. AI-powered supplier selections, contract automation, and forecasting are game changers, actually. Yeah. Overcoming challenges like data privacy and system integration is crucial. We also discussed about AI-driven smart contracts and predictive analytics will define the future of the procurement. Companies that adopt AI now will lead the next era of strategic procurement. Thank you all for your time today. AI is reshaping procurement in a ways we could not have imagined just a few years ago. And the pace of innovation is only accelerating. If you would like to continue the conversation, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. I would be happy to discuss AI powered procurement strategies and how businesses can leverage this innovation for competitive advantages. You can connect with me on my LinkedIn. I appreciate your time and